I welcome the opportunity to speak on the protection and restoration of nature and the need to make progress in Ireland. Sinn Féin completely supports and prioritises the need to protect, restore and enhance nature. The scale of the crisis that confronts biodiversity cannot and should not be understated. On the nature restoration law, Sinn Féin's rejection last week was not a rejection of the intent and the purpose of the law. We must work to protect the complex, interconnected ecosystem that is the beating heart of our economy and society.